Hello Hannah. So today we're going to learn Lukisan Berskala. So what actually is Lukisan Berskala is, for example, for contractors nak buat bangunan, right? So the bangunan is very large in exact length. So for example, this is 4 meters. Okay, and then this would be 10 meters. So how would contractors try to make it easy to read for them is they bring out a piece of paper, and then, for example, for N10, right, the length is 4 meter and then the width is 10 meters. So what they're going to do is they're going to change this onto cm first, so which is 400 to 1000, and then they want to scale this as accurate as possible. So now you'll have 4 cm to 10 cm. So now when you write in paper, this one would be 4 cm, this one would be 10 cm. So this shows that it is scaled down from a larger scale to a lower scale. So that is the concept of lukisan berskala lah. Okay, so we're just going to go through the formula. So this is the formula. Skala is equals to ukuran lukisan berskala bahagi ukuran objek. So that's all lah. So itu yang apa you akan belajar lah in this chapter. So this is the most important one, and then this one not really important but can learn also lah. Yeah, so you'll be learning two types of formula. So we're going to go through couple examples regarding the formula. So let's look at example related to this formula right here. So skala adalah sama dengan divided by ukuran object. So ukuran object refers to the actual length lah. Refers to the apa in Malay actual length? Ukuran yang betul lah. Okay. So ukuran lukisan berskala is the one ukuran dalam kertas. Dalam kertas lah. Okay, that's all. So we're going to go through couple examples. So this one. So let's say you have Raja 1 here, and then you have your object. So now then, if I want to determine the skala for this one, so based on Raja 1, so use the formula skala equals to ukuran lukisan berskala divided by ukuran object. So how do you measure this? Just measure this part lah. So P to R is how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 units. So yang this part, P to Q, you have 4 units. What happened? Okay, so now you measure this part. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So for skala, you just need one of the dimension lah. Example, if you want to take width, you take width. But if you want to take length, you take length. So kalau you nak ambil ukuran panjang, you ambil ukuran panjang. Kalau you nak ambil ukuran lebar, you ambil ukuran lebar. Okay. So ini adalah ukuran lukisan berskala. So skala, so which is 24, right? And then this one, the object, ukuran object, then should be 8 unit. Okay, so you try to simplify this. Ipapa salyo sanpa asisi. So the scale would be 3 lah. But do scale have unit? Skala ada unit? No. Okay, so why does it why doesn't it have any unit? Is, for example, this is 24 meter, this is 8 meter kan. What you can do is you can cut them off. So it will become 1 lah, theoretically, if you're applying math knowledge. Okay, so for example, 4 divided by 4, it is equals to 1. So basically you can cut it out. Okay, so I want you to do saja 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then send me your answers. Okay, and then second part, so hasil daripada, so n is less than 1, n is larger than 1, maka size lukisan. Okay, so what is n? N is actually this one. Look at this formula. N is this kan. Okay, so let's determine whether n equals to 1 or not lah. So we look at contoh 2. So Raja di bawah menunjukkan objek PQRS. So skala digunakan 1n. So what you're going to do is, this one is the lukisan berskala. Ini adalah objek lah, objek PQRS. So you're just going to take one of the dimension. You nak ambil PQ boleh, dan P prime and Q prime. So jarak antara P to Q is 4 unit, and P prime to Q prime is 2 unit. So now then, skala, okay, which is 1 over 2 lah. So the scale would be 1, 2. So n is larger than 1. Since n larger than 1, size lukisan berskala lebih kecil daripada size objek. Okay? Can? So basically we're finished already. Okay, so what I want you to do now is, wait a second ya. You can try doing exercises already now. So I will give you hard exercises. So you just read through another examples lah. You just go through another examples by yourself. So I want you to try to do question. I want you to try to do question 2, and then question 2 here. In master kendiri, question 2, and then in uji diri, question 2 also. Okay, that will be all for a lesson. So you can try to do this, and then the next hour we will discuss the answer lah. But it might take longer than 1 hour, so just reserve your time. Okay.